Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben. We're back with another one. Today I thought I would do another protein bar review, reviewing popular protein bars. I did one last time, it was mostly Quest bars, and now I got more flavors of different stuff that I found at my local Food Lion. To be honest, I would say I have a pretty solid palate, so anyone out there, you could probably trust my palate. And if you like stuff that I don't like, then your palate is probably trash. Sorry. But yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. The rating for the protein bars is not only going to be ranked by taste, but it's also going to be ranked by the macros of the bar. If the macros are trash, then that is going to bring down the rating even if it tastes good. So first one up, Think bars. Never had these before. We got chocolate fudge and brownie crunch. So let's look at the calories and macros. We have 230 calories with 20 grams of protein, which is not too bad. It's not too good. There's better bars out there. Pretty solid macros, But how does it taste? We'll go with the brownie crunch first. It's got little chunks in there. Let's see. It's not bad. It's just not very sweet. I taste the brownie. Would I buy this? No, would not buy it. Calories and macros are pretty decent, but taste is not really there. But I just peeped, it says no artificial sweeteners, and it has 0 grams of sugar. So I guess if you're like one of the people that fear artificial sweeteners, you might like this, but it's not sweet enough for me. Pretty average, 5 out of 10. Now let's try the chocolate fudge. I actually like this one better, taste-wise. Not very sweet though, so I'll give this one a 6. 6 out of 10. Next up, we got 2 flavors of Power Crunch bars. 220 calories. 13 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat. Like, is this even a protein bar? I feel like these shouldn't even be considered protein bars, but we're gonna try them anyway. This flavor is peanut butter cream. Take a little, yeah, it's a wafer. See how it tastes. I taste the peanut butter and the vanilla, but like it's not dense at all. It's very airy. I doubt that's filling you up, especially with 13 grams of protein. Like, I don't know. With terrible macros like that, taste was decent, but for the macros, I think it's below average. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. And I usually like peanut butter, so that's kind of disappointing. Triple chocolate. This one has the same shitty macros, so let's see. Chocolate's a lot better than the peanut butter. But once again, the macros are so bad, like I don't want to give it a good rating. Overall rating, probably like a 5 out of 10, average. Next we have Premier Protein. I've seen this brand before, but I never actually tried their protein bars. 230 calories per bar, not too bad. 10 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, 20 grams of protein. So 230 calories, 20 grams of protein, not bad. Same as the Think bars. This is chocolate brownie. See? I don't know. That's not it. That's not it at all. Not even like an artificial taste, but it tasted like plastic. Macros are decent. 4 out of 10, below average. Would not buy this. Alright, now we got chocolate peanut butter. Hopefully this one tastes better. Same macros. Alright, so this one's got, looks like some peanut butter in the middle. Let's see. No. Peanut butter don't even taste like peanut butter. It tastes like fake ass peanut butter, bro. Same rating. 4 out of 10. Premier Protein sucks. Alright, next up we got Builder's Protein. I heard good things about these as well. They're very tasty, I heard. Chocolate mint and vanilla almond, or almond, whatever you want to call it. The macros are terrible. It is a hefty bar though. It's 68 gram bar, so it is on the heavier side. But it's 280 calories for 20 grams of protein, which is pretty high in my opinion for calories. 17 grams of sugar. We'll see. This one has 290 and 16 grams of sugar, 20 grams of protein. We'll try vanilla almond first. Let's see. That 16 grams of sugar is coming into play. It's definitely a lot sweeter than all the other ones, but personally I'm not a fan of vanilla almond. Yeah, flavor wasn't it for me, but it was very sweet. I have a feeling that this chocolate mint one is going to be a lot better. Taste was decent. Taste was average. Macros were awful. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's probably better than the Premier Protein ones. So, alright, let's try this one. I got high hopes for this one. Alright, this one's got 17 grams of sugar, so it should be very sweet. We'll see. Alrighty. Yeah, that's the one. Mint chocolate Builder's Protein. that's solid. It literally tastes like Thin Mints. But at the same time, the macros are awful, and there's 17 grams of sugar. I don't worry about sugar at all, but I know some people do. So I just use artificial sweeteners myself. But that tastes exactly like a Thin Mint. I gotta give it like a 7 at least. The macros are awful, but that's the best tasting one I've had. So I give it a 7 out of 10. That's pretty generous for me. But the macros are awful, or else it would be an 8 or a 9. Next up, we got the One Bars. A lot of you guys requested these last time. I have cookie dough and Almond Bliss. The other two One Bars that I've had are the maple donut one and the birthday cake one. And I think I would give them both a solid 7 out of 10. Macros are decent, 230 calories, 20 grams of protein, but it wasn't like sweet enough for me. I like a sweet protein bar. I like things like super sweet. So we'll try these. Almond Bliss, let's see. 20 grams of protein, 240 calories. All right, so this one's, macros are decent, nothing crazy. Almond Bliss, 1 bar. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I was expecting like Almond Joy going into it, and it didn't quite get Almond Joy. I got a lot of coconut though, which is good. I like the coconut. I feel like this is more of like a refreshing bar because of the coconut. It's very like tropical. I think it's better than both the birthday cake and the maple donut, if I'm gonna be honest. All right, we'll give it a 7.5. 7.5. I don't want to give it an 8. An 8 is too generous. Now let's try the chocolate chip cookie dough. This one is 230 calories, 20 grams of protein. If you guys have been following me, you know I rate Kirkland cookie dough protein bar the #1 protein bar on the market right now. So I was trying to find a better cookie dough. The Quest one was pretty close. The Quest cookie dough is pretty decent, but Kirkland cookie dough is goated. That is the best protein bar you can get your hands on right now. And it's like very cheap. If you go to Costco, I'm pretty sure it comes out to like $1 per bar. That was weird. At first, it was like ew, and then it was like okay. But like, I feel like these One Bars just aren't sweet. And it's probably because it's only 1 gram of sugar, right? Yeah, it's got 1 gram of sugar. Yeah, they got sucralose, last ingredient. You gotta put more sucralose in your bars, bro. Alright, so cookie dough 1 bar, 7 out of 10. Still like the almond better, but yeah. Now we got Quest bars. We got cookies and cream and oatmeal chocolate chip. I've already had both of these, but we'll just go through them anyway. As you guys know, the Quest bar macros are pretty solid. 21 grams of protein, 200 calories. But they do subtract out the fiber, but more fiber is gonna keep you fuller. Let's try cookies and cream. Like that is good. It's like the only brand you could trust to give you a good bar is Quest. This is good, it's really sweet, tastes like cookies and cream. Solid macros, so I'm gonna give it a solid 8 out of 10. Oatmeal chocolate chip. This one is 190 calories for 20 grams of protein, 16 grams of fiber. We are going to be shitting our brains out, bro. Let's try. I'm gonna be honest, like they nailed the flavor on that. They really did. You get like an oatmeal vibe, and then you get like chunks of chocolate. That's good. And the macros, it's 10 less calories, which I know isn't like a crazy amount, but the macros are better. I think I'm taking that over the cookies and cream. So I'm gonna go 8.5. 8.5 out of 10 for oatmeal chocolate chip. I think some of you guys recommended this one last time, Fit Crunch, peanut butter and jelly. I think I had this one in birthday cake flavor, and I loved it. 190 calories. 16 grams of protein. It's not bad. Could be a little higher in protein, but I'm pretty sure these bars are a little bit smaller, so probably not as filling. All right, we'll see. Bro, that's insane. Literally tastes like peanut butter and jelly. They killed the flavor, bro. I don't know. I want to give it a 9. I'm gonna have to give it a 9 out of 10. And I don't give 9 out of 10s like that. All right, now this is the last one. I've seen these all over. They're very big bars, but I saw that this one was 300 calories, and I'm pretty sure these are usually, like these big bars are usually 400 calories. The bar itself is 85 grams, and I think for 85 grams, 300 calories is not too bad. And it has 30 grams of protein, so the macros are pretty decent. So I picked it up, just wanted to see if it was actually good. MetRx Protein Plus Peanut Butter Cup. That's pretty sick. Peanut butter on the outside, chocolate on the inside. Let's try it. It's alright. I don't know, I probably wouldn't buy it because I don't like the taste of it. Nothing crazy flavor-wise. Macros are pretty decent. I'm gonna give it a 6. 6 out of 10. These bigger bars are usually like 400 plus calories, and since it's only 300 with 30 grams of protein, I thought that was pretty decent. And that does it for all the bars. If you guys want to see me review any bars that I haven't tried here today or in my last video, then be sure to drop a comment down below of what bars I should try. As you guys know, I have the best palate in the world, so definitely trust my opinion. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you are new, drop some comments of new bars I should try, and I'll see you guys in the next one.